Hello everyone, it's Sparkling Char and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been on, but been busy uh, at work, getting off, going in early, getting off late. So yeah, so what you see in front of you is um, I made some bookmark paper clips. I've done this before with the Polka Doodle Girls. I'll insert a picture right here. Yeah, so and they just turned out so cute, but these are different. While back I was on Instagram and I saw that Rebecca Hoot had posted that she was having her another one of her crafty I guess gatherings or whatever, but this one was based on Nancy Drew, or however, I think it was Nancy Drew, she said, but she asked for, if anyone wanted to sponsor anything. So I thought this was a good thing for me to do as a way of giving back, because she gives us so many ideas when it comes to, you know, journaling and everything. And I really enjoy watching her videos and everything. So I reached out to her and asked her if she would mind if I would, send some bookmarks over to her. And she said no problem. And then I asked how many people would, was in her retreat. And she stayed about 20. So I just wanted to make sure that each one of her retreat members had their own bookmark. So as you see, I used the jumbo paper clips in assortment of colors. I had my gel marker and I had my chalk marker from Craftola. These are some alphabet beads that I made. I mean, that I used, not made, that I used. I also used my die cuts for tags. And I used some, I think these are called round facet beads, because I usually make the little bracelets with these, but yeah. And once you cut out your tags, they sort of come out looking like this. And I also made a small one just to see how it go. I did not, well, I was not able to use my Cricut because that was my intentions, but I'm having a problem with my printer. So I had to go out and buy stickers. So I got some stickers. I think these come from Amazon. I believe so. Also these, sorry if you get any glare. So I use those. There's always a way to improvise. So I will show you the ones that I made first. And using the alphabet, she called someone had gave her the name of Owlette. So all her subscribers are called Owlettes. And when she introduces on her channel, she say, "Welcome back, Owlettes." I thought that was so cute. So I used my alphabet lettering to do the word Owlette. As you can see, the facet beads here. These are the tags, and I had words I put on there. You decorate it. You can decorate it using anything, the jumbo paper clip. I left the black, sorry, once I get my speech right, I left the back blank so that the participants at her retreat can decorate the back of their own, bookmark. So it just comes in several colors. I tried to coordinate as best as I could. I used black cardstock and I used whatever paper I had in my stash, along with the little stickers for the owls, and then again wording from Tim Holtz. I had some wording from Dollar Tree. I used wording from Garden Party. Yeah. And you can see I decorated using the chalk marker, going around each one of the cardstock that I used in black. And I just basically tried to color code it also with the owl charms that came from Amazon. And then I also put it in these color cardstock, pink, craft cardstock, oh my goodness, orange. This is red, a yellow, green, another orange, and another pink. And it's just different things that I used in my stash. I also used more cardstock from, like Michael's or whatever. And these are really cute. It's just some paper that I had in my stash. Some of it is digital paper that I get offline. And I just thought they all just came out so cute. And I could show you how they look on a whatever journal you have. This is a journal that I made. You know, I make them all the time, but this is just show you just how your bookmark can work in your journal. And you just slide it on whatever part of the journal that you're working on. That will be the front. This is the back. It's just holding your page. It'll also work great. Let me move this bookmark out the way. And see how it just, the outlet just lays over on the book itself. It's really cute. Very pretty. Turns out very, very pretty in your book. So yeah, so I just wanted to show this because I got to get them out to her. I think her retreat is April 1st, so I'll be showing this after the fact anyway. So yeah, so I just thought they came out really beautiful, and I'm just laying them out here because they make a perfect thumbnail, right? Okay, so thank you guys for stopping by to see this, and I do have a tutorial on how you make these. I will link that in the bio as well, and I'm sorry, in the description box as well. I'll get it together. It's just I've been working so hard, but I do have more videos to come, just trying to get everything organized, and I will see you guys in the next video. And remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.